super simple play. Let's play ABC Boo. We're going to sing the ABC song, but if we see a ghost instead of a letter, we're going to say boo and hold our hands out like ghosts. Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, boo. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, boo. W, X, Y, and Z. Oh boy, those ghosts are spooky. Let's try again. A, B, C, D, boo. F, G, boo. I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, boo. R, S, T, boo. V, W, X, Y, and boo. Yikes! It's getting a little harder and spookier. Here we go again. A, boo. C, D, E, boo. G, H, I, boo. K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, boo. S, boo. U, V, boo. X, boo. And Z. Oh, wow! So many ghosts! Do you want to try again? A, boo. C, boo. E, F, boo. H, I, J, boo. L, boo, 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 boo. Q, R, boo. T, U, V, boo, boo. Y, and Z. Great job, everyone! What? You want to try one more time? Okay, here we go. A,